A cultural proponent in Umoji, Demle North Local Government Area, Chief Ike Chukwu Aguanono, has advocated for legislation that will ban underage children from wearing red cap in Igbo land. Correspondent Abuchi was the now reports.
Someone who has not come of real maturity of age should stop wearing red cap in Igbo land. If there is a way such proposal can go, and maybe it will go, I will propose in Umoji, I will propose in Idemili, people will propose in other towns and other local governments.
Speaking to the ABS in his country home, Chief Aguanono, who is a recipient of many cultural titles in both his community, Umoji, and other communities in Anambra State, expressed worry over what he described as the decline in the prestige red cap has in Igbo land as a result of its recklessness wearing by those who doesn't know its value and importance. According to Chief Aguanono, who listed various stages of ceremonies to be conducted in Umoji before one can be qualified to wear a red cap, called on stakeholders in the southeast to collaborate towards restoring the dignity and pride of red cap in Igbo land.
It is very, very pertinent for us, we, the custodians of culture in Igbo land, to make sure that whoever that is not supposed to wear a red cap does not wear it. Because by so doing, the red cap, if somebody who is of questionable character wears a red cap, then the respect and reverence that people have for red cap will begin to drop. So it is a duty we owe to ourselves to do in the first place about who wears a red cap in Igbo land.
For a community leader in Nise, Oka South Local Government Area, Chief Boniface Ebutu, red cap in Igbo land is not for fashion or fun, as according to him, one who wears it must have done certain ceremonies that will enable him to put on the red cap, while noting that in Igbo land, all those that wear red cap are expected to always say the truth and defend justice and laws of the land.